Heai ki te kai whakahaere I tētahi pakihi mahi kai, kāri ia I whakahāwea ia Claire Haupini me te āhua o tōna kurawaka. No te rānei I whai wāhi ai te taha whakahē ki te whakaputa I wārātau kōrero mō tēnei take. Anei te pūrongo a Irena Smith.
Hei tā Graham Pete, rangatira o te pakihi mahi kai o Spit Roast. E hara ana kōrero mo te moko a Claire Haupini I te mahi whakaiti, whakahāwea rānei.
We continually monitor what staff are wearing on functions, and we felt that it would be better if the impact of the tattoo was taken away.
Why was that?
It was just a personal thought.
Nā Frank Rowe I kawe ngā kōrero a tōna rangatira kia Claire.
I was quite polite when I asked Claire. I did say to her that it was to cover her tattoo, but I was not derogatory about her tattoo. I asked her, I did not tell her. I certainly did not enforce the option to her. She could have refused. I was not overbearing. She agreed to this and said she understood the reason for it.
Hei tā Claire Haupini I ata tohu tia aia. Hei tāna he kōrero whakaiti, whakahāwea I tōna maumoko. Kaore o nā rangatira o mua I te whakai.
There was no evidence that she was upset. She went out and performed her duties on the day. She came back, signed out. I was none the wiser. It was a dramatic shock when we received the letter from the Human Rights, because we did not realise that there was even an inkling of an issue going on.
Ko te mea rereke o tēnei take kaore anō kia whakamātau hia e te ture, no reira ka ātamata ki hia, tōna whakatau. Me te ki a te hiamana o te traipūnara, he tuatahi tēnei, I nā ka hore he whakawā pēnei hei tauira whai atu.
Your position to be involved in what has become a test case, and that's the way it is, I'm afraid, but appreciate the evidence you've given today. Thank you.
Ka mutu ngā taha e rua I te rānei, ka tahi ka whakaritea he wā anō kia hoki mai ki te whakarāpopoto I ngā kōrero. Ka tahi ka waiho mā te traipūnara, te kōrero, whakamutunga, Irena Smith, Te Karere.